Experience driving perfection in the 2011 Hyundai Azera. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 3.3-liter six-cylinder engine. It distinguishes itself from the competition with features such as delay-off headlights, a tachometer, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, speed-sensitive wipers, and remote keyless entry. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Hyundai also prioritized safety and security by including traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Side curtain airbags provide rollover protection. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.